will be the interesting one. So colors, let's have a look of it. Now one more attribute we are going to use with the paragraph tag. Uh, that is background color equal to blue. I have to check the spelling. Sorry. Okay. It doesn't directly apply. I have to go for actual attribute. Actual attribute is style. Attribute is style, and its value I must have to keep as background. One more thing, remember now, in style you cannot use equal to sign. You have to use the colon for it. You have to use the colon for it. Now two double quotes are there, no need to go for this double quote. Fine, this is a complete. Just a minute, I will try to. Okay, now this will be the full screen form. So understand, just a minute. Assure, right? Okay. So see, for a paragraph, I have used the attribute style. Style is one attribute in which multiple different values you can set. I have set here attribute for background color attribute, and colon means after colon you have to assign the values. When you will use this editor, it will help you a lot to select the color. Now, colors can be given in different ways. Colors can be given in different ways. In when we will typing the web page in HTML, you can directly give color name, or you can use RGB combination. You can use X values, or you can use hue saturation and I think lightness. Okay, so these are the different ways to go for. Color name is directly as I typed here, blue. Just a minute, sir. Then if I want to go for some another color, automatically it will reflect. So with directly the name of the color you can give. So now you can ask that how many names are there. Actually, you have to go to W3C documentation. How many different colors are already given by the name? Actually, no one can remember, and no need to remember the names. But at least the main colors you can directly give with the color name. This is one way. This is one way to go for. So tell me, do you understand the color? At least how to set the color and with the color name.
Yes, sir.
Perfect. So let's check what are the different options are there. As I said, name. After that, RGB values. RGB means RGB, red, green, and blue. These three values you can set. Each parameter, red, green, and blue, defines the intensity of the color between 0 to 255. So red value will be 0 to 255. Green value you can give as 0 to 255, and blue also 0 to 255. So for an example, suppose I give this 0 to 55 means red 255, green 0, and blue 0. So obviously it will be a red. Yes, because only red value is set, others are no any content. So it will set the highest value. Let's check how it works. Instead of color name, now I am going to give, the RGB value. Yes, are you able to see the change? Now let me try to bring 255 for green and 0 for red. So it will go for green. So I hope you understand this RGB combination. Yes. If you
Yes,
go
sir.
for combination of both, sorry, all three means all three are higher value. Means what color you are observing here in the background?
White color.
White color, perfect. Let's go in reverse. If I go for all zero, okay. So zero means dark black, and then you are going towards the white as you are increasing the value of that component of a color, red, green, or blue. So you can come in between like 120, any combination, and you can form different color. So this is about the RGB. This is about the RGB. Let's check for the hex and HSL. Let's go next. Hex value. Now, in HTML, we specified using hexadecimal value in the form of hash. Two characters red, two characters will represent green, and two characters will represent blue. R yes. Then hexadecimal value will be from 00 to FF. 00 to FF. So I hope you remember the hex code. I hope you remember the hex code. F means what? 0 correct. 10 represented by what in hex? 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Yes, anyone remember it? 10 means A in hex. 11 means B. Am I correct?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, A, B, C, D, E. So like that, 0 to 15, that value you can set 00 to FF. But don't forget, you have to mention twice. Like here, red color is prepared as hash FF0000. Let's have a look of it in the code. You can go for hash FF0000. So it will go for red. If you go 00FF and then it will be green. So with hex value also you can set the color. Let's move next. HSL. Now HSL value. HSL HSL means first H is a hue, saturation, and lightness. Now please understand, because this is not a normal as previous. Hue is degree on the color wheel from 0 to 360. 0 is red, 120 is green, 240 is blue. So that color combination hue value, how much degree you want to insert. Saturation is percentage value. 0% means shade of gray and 100% means shade of full color. Means that I suppose here in hue you are putting your wheel on the red, but the red, how much percent red you want to give, that will be decided by saturation. And lightness is also again a percentage. 0% means black, 50% means neither light nor dark, and 100% means white. So darkness you can control with light, saturation with the saturation, how much percentage of that color you want, and hue means which color you want to set. This is a HSL. Let have a look how it works. I hope I'm not going very fast or not going very slow also. So see, 0 hue means we are on the red, 100% 100% saturation means it is not going towards the dark, towards the grayness, and 50% light. Let's try to change the light to 0%, means dark, 75%. Sorry. So have you observed the lightness? Have you observed the light change? Yes.
Yes.
Yes. Great. Suppose I go for the 40, so it will be more dark color. And now try to work. Let me keep it 50. Now try to work for a saturation. For saturation, it is a 50. Yes, it is going towards the more gray. If I go for 20, more grayish. If I keep it 0, it will be total gray. So this is a hue, saturation, and light. Okay, is it fine for you? How many ways? How many ways are there? How many ways are there to display the color? I want everyone's output, the number. How many ways are there to give the color? I will note that. How many are there active? 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31. So out of 36, 31 are live. Fine. So this is about the colors. This is about the colors. Okay. Again one combination. Remember this. Again one more combination is RGBA. A you can add. A is the alpha. A means alpha. See this fourth parameter. Alpha parameter is number between 0.0. So alpha shows the transparency. 0.0 means fully transparent and 1.0 means not transfer at all. Not transfer at all. So let's try this. Those who will work on the image processing, remember this. Remember this. Actually, it is a 32-bit. Any pixel color is represented by 32 bit. By 32 bit. Sorry, I have to give the colors. Let's say 255. Let me work on the fully transparent. I have made it 0. Let me made it 50%. 50%. Yes. Are you observing? Are we observing the change? And if I make alpha 100, what is the value? What is the value? 0.021. Sorry. If I made it 1, this is the change, and if I made it 0, this is a fully transparent. If I go for 0.5, so like this you can manage the transparency. Remember, we are saving the 4 colors. I was talking about image processing. So every image pixel is saved with 32 bits. 32 bits in which least significant 8-bit blue. Then before that 8-bit green. Before that 8-bit red. And last means most significant 8 bits are for alpha. For alpha. So this is the RGBA also the option for you. Alpha you can use with HSL also, use saturation and light. With that also you can use alpha. Okay, I want to show this link to you and then we will stop. Actually, if you want to see all that. See here with the names, which names are available that you can find. You can check the background colors, which are the options. Yes, for text actually we have not applied till. And see here you can get the good information about the RGB, hue saturation, hex value or RGBA, HSLA, and you can try more examples on this. So yes, anyway we came across this site. Please note this site W3 Schools, w3schools.com, best of best site to learn the all the web technology things. w3schools.com, w3schools.com. So